Welcome to our comprehensive guide on one of the most crucial financial phases of your life, retirement. This video is all about providing a detailed insight into how you can plan for your retirement, ensure a stable financial future, and maintain a lifestyle you are accustomed to, even after you stop working. The very thought of retirement can be both exciting and overwhelming at the same time. On one hand, it marks the beginning of a new phase, a life where you are free of work responsibilities. On the other hand, it comes with a series of financial challenges and questions. Retirement is not an event, but a process. It involves strategic planning and meticulous execution to make sure you can live comfortably without having to worry about finances. In this guide, we will cover every aspect of retirement planning, from setting financial goals to choosing the right investment options for your golden years. The first step in your retirement planning journey is to establish how much money you need to save to support your chosen lifestyle. You need to anticipate a series of factors, such as your projected lifespan, living expenses, inflation, medical costs, and any other, to ensure your financial independence throughout your retirement. To simplify this process, professionals often use retirement calculators, a tool that takes into account all your financial details, current and future, and helps estimate the sum you need to save for a comfortable retirement. Have you ever tried one? While the thought of considering all these specifics may seem daunting, it's crucial to start as early as possible. Starting early gives you a significant edge by harnessing the power of compounding, which can dramatically increase your money's growth over time. Once you have an estimate of the amount you require for your retirement, the next step involves creating a detailed plan for achieving those financial goals. This plan often revolves around saving more, spending less, and maximizing your investment returns. Setting up a dedicated retirement account is a crucial part of this financial strategy. Accounts such as 401k and individual retirement accounts, IRAs, comes with tax benefits, incentives, and they are a great way to set aside pre-tax income for your retirement. Over time, investment vehicles such as mutual funds, stocks, bonds, and other avenues can be utilized to grow your retirement savings. Each investment comes with its pros and cons, and it's important to select the right mix that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Of course, retirement planning doesn't solely revolve around saving and investing. It's equally important to keep your day-to-day budgeting in line, ensuring that you are regularly contributing a certain percentage of your income towards your retirement accounts. Your job as a retiree is not done after setting your strategy or deciding on an investment plan. Retirement planning is a dynamic process that demands regular reviews, analysis, and if necessary, adjustments from your side. The next aspect of retirement planning is the decumulation phase, the phase where you start drawing down your savings to fund your retirement expenses. This phase demands quite a bit of thinking, calculating, and strategizing, and forms a critical part of your retirement plan. The transition from saving to spending is often a challenging one, especially mentally. However, proper planning and a well-strategized savings plan can ensure that you are financially stable during the retirement phase, enabling you to enjoy your post-employment life without any stress or anxiety. Besides the financial plan, another critical aspect of retirement planning is healthcare management. As you grow older, your healthcare needs are likely to increase. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your health benefits, health insurance, and any additional costs it might impose while crafting your retirement plan. Additionally, you need to think about the social aspects of retirement. While finances and healthcare are key components, you also need to plan for how you will spend your time, the social activities you will engage in, and the goals you want to pursue outside of financial independence. Retirement planning doesn't happen overnight, it's a process that evolves as life unfolds. Remember, the key ingredients to successful retirement planning are vision, discipline, and patience. No matter the retirement age, if you start early and stick to your plan, you can ensure a financially secure and enjoyable retirement. Importantly, always remember that retirement planning is a personal journey. What works for someone else might not work for you. So, ensure you consult with a financial advisor who can help craft a customized plan that best suits your needs, based on your income, lifestyle, and long-term financial goals. Another essential part of retirement planning is preparing for unforeseen circumstances such as medical emergencies, market downturns, or increased living costs. An emergency fund can be beneficial in such situations, providing you with a cushion to fall back on without disturbing the regular saving and spending structure. Finally, bear in mind that retirement planning does not have a finishing line. It is a continuous, present-tense process that requires consistent monitoring and adjustments. The sooner you start, the more time your investments have to grow, easing not only financial concerns but also psychological stress. Transitioning from full-time employment to retirement marks a significant lifestyle and financial shift. Yet, with the right planning and preparation, you can make the journey smoothly, maintain financial stability, and increase confidence in your ability to support a comfortable lifestyle throughout your retirement years. To sum it up, effective retirement planning brings peace, freedom, and independence. In order to make sure your financial independence post-retirement, it's vital to dream big, plan early, save diligently, invest wisely, and revisit your plan frequently. Remember, retirement is not the end of the journey, but the beginning of a new chapter in life. Each financial choice you make during your working years will affect your retirement. It's a time to finally enjoy life without the stress of work, but in order to truly enjoy your retirement, you must start planning now. Everyone's retirement journey look a little different, but with this guide, we hope to equip you with the knowledge, the confidence, and the determination to craft a retirement plan that ensures you can live your golden years to its fullest potential. Retirement is not the end. In many ways, it is a new beginning. With the advent of greater longevity and active lifestyles, retirement for most people is a process that lasts for many years, offering a new set of challenges and adventures. As you step into the sunset of your life, make sure it's a beautiful one. By planning out your finances, you can make retiring an event to look forward to, rather than something that induces worry or fear. Remember, the key to a successful retirement is financial preparedness. Among the many things, one must remember that retirement planning is not just about the wealth but also planning your health and well-being. You worked hard for all those years and your retirement should be nothing but a well-deserved reward. The different phases of retirement are like chapters of a book, each having its own set of joys and trials. However, with careful planning and clear objectives, you can ensure that your retirement is a joyous, stress-free, and financially secure phase of your life. Develop your plan, stick to it, and adjust when necessary. By taking control of your financial future and making smart decisions now, you can enhance your quality of life both during retirement and during the years leading up to it. When it comes to retirement planning, more often than not people tend to drift into wishful thinking. It is easy to fantasize about the freedom of spending without worrying about the future, but remember this, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. As each day takes you closer to retirement, let the excitement evolve into a thought process. Every decision should be a step forward, an addition to your retirement fund. With this conscious effort and a constant watch on your finances, a secured future is not a far-off dream realization. To wrap up, this video emphasized the importance of early and consistent retirement planning, establishing a plausible retirement timeline and figuring out how much you need for retirement, and considering essential factors such as health care, emergency funds, and the unexpected. Remember, a stable and hassle-free retirement is only possible if you start planning now.